Hello everyone, I wanted to make a video to show you what you're going to be doing in lab this week. I didn't get to do that last night because for whatever reason my settings on my computer were not allowing me into the website. I did a video on showing you if you're having trouble, if you're going to use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, you cannot use Internet Explorer with Canvas anymore. I know that Microsoft has a new browser, but I would use either Google Chrome or the Mozilla Firefox. So I'm going to click on our modules. I'm going to go down here. Now what you're going to have to do Okay, so we open this up. Now, yeah, you can expand this and make it big like that. What I want you to do is download this sheet. So let it open up. There we go, enable editing, blah, blah, blah. So you're going to save this sheet to your computer. You can use either the address for our course, well, you can send it to me in our course if you want to, or the Google address associated with our class. So what didn't work last night, and I've enabled Flash now, so you can, it says right there, you can control click, you can just hover over it and click on it like this. Now it's going to open to a different tab. So there it is. I would not get it to open in our classroom, but so what you're going to be doing, this is like a little simulation, and if you read through, I'm going to go to the one we saved. So here's the scenario. It says there's a compost pile. You have green materials, brown materials, water, and aeration. It's really to try to show you how to use the scientific method to make an observation and then actually do an experiment, look at your data, draw a conclusion. So you're going to do these questions and you're going to be graded based on the questions that you answer. So it even tells you right here using 75% brown, 25% green, 60-80 water, and 2 turns per month. That's the hypothesis. So you're going to set up your experiment and then you're going to log in the results here. So I'm going to go back. So what was it? I believe it said 75. Sorry. Too many concussions. All right, 25% on the water. Right. Or I'm sorry, the water was 60 to 80. Yeah, it's 75, 25 on that scale. Here we go. So water is set at 60, 80, and then 2 turns. Number of turns per month. There's 1, there's 2. You scroll down, and what you do is you hit the little calendar in the bottom. On the efficiency meter, it says that we are about medium. So obviously that hypothesis was not correct. And so you're going to enter in what, the results. Well, right here, you're going to put in medium. Go ahead and put in the data is what your settings were. This was 75 to 25, 60 to 80, 2 turns. Based on the hypothesis above, no, and knowing the design parameters, is this correct? No. What was the rating, which was medium? So you're going to do that. Question 2 asks you to do the same thing. Question 3 is to write your own hypothesis. What do you think the settings would work best? Do another experiment. Set it up the way, I know it says, I just noticed that it says table 2. Should say table 3. And then question 4 is what settings produce the best efficiency rating, which I don't remember what those are at the moment. But go ahead and put those in here as well. And I'll change that. It says record your criteria on table. It should be table 3. Okay. So that's the first experiment. Now, the second one is this. It's pretty cool, actually. You're going to be doing something with pH. If you're in a face-to-face lab, you do an experiment using the pH paper. It changes colors with different things. You dip it in orange juice, you dip it in Alka-Seltzer. It'll tell you if something is acidic or basic. So same thing, gonna control click. All right, looks like the same company. So what you do is you kind of hover over this piece of paper. Now on our experiment, it says to record 6 substances shown across the table screen in table 2. An acid, shampoo, battery acid. Enter a predicted pH for each solution. What you think it's going to be, why you think it's going to be either acidic or basic, and then what the actual measurement is. So we have here salt water, orange juice. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I set that in a different thing, but anyway, here we go. So we're gonna grab it, dip it in. So this is seawater. You can see, and you can even carry this over if you want to. So it looks like to me that's about a 9 on the pH scale. Dip the second one. So this is orange juice. Orange juice is actually pretty acidic. Looks kind of close to that one. So it looks like a 4 to me. You really can't get those wrong. Let's see what I did with shampoo here. I changed shampoo. Okay, shampoo looks like it's looks like about a 5. You really look, if you're off, okay, it was 3 or 4. The main thing is that you do the experiment. So you're gonna put the substance you're testing, the predicted pH, what you think is gonna be, why you think it's gonna be acidic, and then what's the measured pH. Now to reset it, you go back and you hit, where is it on the bottom? Reset, and it's going to give you a whole nother set of values. It's going to give you a whole nother set of items to test. You can do it again. There's vinegar, lemon juice. All right, so you're going to do the first 6. Write those in, and you can write them directly in, so you can type. Do another 6, and then answer these questions on the back. So you got 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. All right, and that's it. Save that to your computer and then email it to me. Okay, email me if you have any questions. Thanks.